Who is excited for Thor Love and Thunder? I know I'm way excited. At first, it was really funny when he became fat and lazy, but what happened to the great character that he was? I'm so excited to hopefully have a video to show a little redemption to Thor. But the real question is how do we draw him? Well, let's jump right in. Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pad. In today's video, we're going to draw Thor from Thor Love and Thunder from this awesome looking poster. So, let's jump right in. First, let's begin with the eyes. What we want to do is almost draw like two barrels. So we're going to start with a curved side and a curved side. Then connect with a slight curve. Connect with a slight curve. Awesome. Now we're going to do one more for his other eye. Curve. Curve. Connect. Connect. Awesome. Looks good. All right, let's get his eyes. Just going to do two circles, one on each side. All right, and then what we're going to do another circle on the inside. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little circle here for a little glare. Little circle there. Circle here. And a circle there. Awesome. Now we're going to add eyelids. We're going to go diagonal. Connect. And then just a little ways down. Go over. And then add just a little bit of a down line. Perfect, just like that. And then we'll connect down here on the eye as well. And then on the bottom of the eye, gonna make it just a little bit thicker. And then come down. Okay, awesome. Same thing over here. I'm gonna go diagonal. Then we're gonna make a straight line kind of across. Then we're gonna add a little line down like that. Awesome. Make the bottom line thicker. And then down. Awesome. Okay, looking good. Looking awesome. Okay, now let's get onto his mouth. For his mouth, we're just going to do a little smile. We're just going to start out with a smile and then come up. Then let's just do a little over. Perfect. And right where we're connected, we want to come down into the actual smile. Slowly drift up closer and then connect. Perfect. Looking good. So just a little chin. How about that? Perfect. Awesome. All right, let's do some eyebrows. Eyebrows are pretty easy. We're going to do a straight line about halfway on the eye. Do a straight line. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do a little triangle. And then do a straight line down. And curve back around. Sweet. Now from this other one, we're going to actually start out with a curve. Then do another curve, come down and hook, and connect. And the plan is we're going to draw this all first, and then I'm going to color it in, and you can see the end product and what you colored in. Oh, we forgot a little nose. Doink! Perfect. Alright, let's get that nice luscious hair. How about that? Well, before we get to that, let's just get the bottom of his face. So we're going to do a straight line here. Come around. And then curve back up. Awesome. Looks good. Alright, now onto the hair. Let's begin first with a little straight line and then a curve. And then let's go with a straight line over here. Alright, with this straight line, we're going to kind of do a little waviness because of his long hair. And then let's do this. Let's get this part and let's curve it around. And follow that line. And this line, curve it. Oh, page is too tall. So we're going to just come back around. Perfect, just like that. Then let's add some jaggedness to it, to this side of his hair. and then connect. Then let's do a little round part and come back down. Awesome, looking good. Now, in that one picture we saw, he was holding up his weapon in the air. So let's just do a little neck. Then give him some huge shoulders. And then his arms coming up. And up. And let's get the hand coming up. And we want to draw it like he's gripping the hammer, right? Gripping it. So, or not hammer, his axe. Cool. Okay, let's just do some little bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. We'll have them come around. 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 And last one around. Awesome. And then let's just kind of show it almost appearing. You can almost see the weapon. Comes down this way. It's really long. Okay. And let's go up. And then we're going to do straight line down. Come up a little ways. Straight line up. And let's curve. Awesome. Then there'll be a little something here we'll color in. A little triangle with a little stick. Almost like it's connecting the rest of it actually. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Then over here, let's make like a square or a cube. Awesome, looks good. Now look even better when we got this all colored in. So let's go down. Then he has one arm that's kind of just down. So let's just do another arm. And let's just do it kind of in a fist. We'll have it kind of like he's got a grip. So we'll have his thumb. Then we'll just do some 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Not perfect, but hey, it's good. Connect in. Connect in. We got his legs. And it's like he's standing on like almost like 2 mountains. So let's just draw 2 little mountains. And then let's have his legs come down, come down, come down. And then let's just get some shoes on him. Okay, and I want to add some details. Which are he is wearing kind of like a jacket in this picture. So let's have the jacket come down. Come across. Awesome, that looks awesome, guys. And I think it just has these sleeves that just kind of cut off right there. Looks good. This one, it's got a little bit of a collar, so let's just include this as part of the collar. This part comes down, and then kind of comes out, and in, and connects to the sleeve. And we're going to darken this part as well. Okay. Then he's got a belt. Then he's got this little symbol, a little circle. And kind of something like that. Something like that. Yeah. And then if you want to, of course, let's finish off the hair. Kind of connect it down. Let it come down. And then from here, I'm going to just darken things. So I'm going to darken his eyeballs. I'm going to darken his weapon. And then we're done. That's it. So let me just color this in real quick. I'll probably speed this up and go bang. And there we go. We got Thor from Love and Thunder. And I know he looks a little cartoony, but that's the way he's meant to be. And he's got his awesome weapon, lightning coming down. And that's how you draw Thor. If you guys learned something new or enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.